Hey guys, it's Max from Craftworks. Today we're gonna have a quick introduction of DialogueCraft and how to use it quickly. So let's get started. So the first things you have to do is, of course, to import DialogueCraft. So once you buy DialogueCraft, you will be able to find it in Package Manager under My Assets, and right here will be DialogueCraft. So you just have to click on it, and then you will have this little import button, and you just have to click it, and then it would be loaded in your projects. Right now, it's not available yet on the Unity Asset Store when I'm recording this video. So I'm gonna import it like this. So you will receive this type of window that show you exactly what is in the package, and you just have to select everything by default and just import. All right, perfect. And now DialogueCraft is installed. You have this little to debug log, and now you are all good. Everything is set up. You have nothing more to do. So you can see under tools, then you have this little Craftworks that appear. That means that everything is imported and it's great, it's working. So there is two sub plugin. There is the Craft Core sub plugin and DialogueCraft, the one you just bought. So the Craft Core is basically the hub that manage your API key for different AI models. So you have those three AI provider, OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini, and then you can simply set up your key and just on the dashboard, look DialogueCraft settings and just select which provider you want for the AI feature that are in DialogueCraft plugin. Under DialogueCraft, you have the editor, of course, but you also have the demo scene window. So what is the demo scene window? It is basically just a separate demo that you can download from your Unity project. So there is the RPG Fantasy Village that you can download, but which is not bundled in the DialogueCraft package because it is a bit too large, 700 megabytes. So I decided to put it apart, but you can still download from it. From here, you just have to click it. It is 100% free. It's gonna just download this sub package into your project, or you can simply open the simple demo, which is, as said, very simple. It is only one dialogue, which this UI you can see here. So with this prefab and one very simple dialogue. You can find this under Craftworks, then DialogueCraft, demo, and here's the sample demo. And if you download the RPG demo, it's gonna appear here. So under the simple demo, you have, of course, the scene, but you also have the prefab, as I mentioned here. Very simple prefab, but still useful if you want to reuse it for just some blockout or from just some simple prototype. And here you have one very simple dialogue. So how it is working, you can just like press play and you will see everything work perfectly. This is very simple dialogue with some choice, and you can of course see it from the editor here. You have only one dialogue here. So here you see the different dialogue node. So basically how it is working, it is jumping from node to node. It is a bit like Unreal Engine. So it starts from here, and then the flow go to this node that make this text, this dialogue appearing, and then this one, then this one. Then it encounter this choice node, stop the flow, wait for the player to choose which option, which choice he want to, and then branch out to the next node. Very simple first dialogue. So to create a dialogue, you can just click the plus button here or this one here. Let's pick this one. Then go under your assets folder, very important, otherwise you're gonna have some error. And then here you can go whatever you want. You can go under resource and, for example, create a dialogue folder here. And then let's name this one All right, now we have our new dialogue, Anna intro. We can create a new character for Anna. You can call her Anna, we can put a new sprite and a lot of stuff that we're gonna cover in another episode. And then there is this system called the cast system. So for every dialogue, you have to put which character are gonna speak in the dialogue. So for this dialogue, it's gonna be only Anna who is gonna talk. So I just put Anna as the cast member of this dialogue. And then I just have to go over this little triangle and then pull out a link, and I can release, and then I can choose which node I want to have in the flow. So the dialogue category contains the two most important nodes, the text node and the choice node. The text node allow me to create this node that is like the main node that allow to create a dialogue. We have to choose the speaker, so Hannah, and we can say, hi, did you read my book? Something very random. Then you can pull another link. Let's say pick the choice node. Say, yes, it was great. Or, no, sorry. Anything you want. Then you can branch out with the option 1, which is, yes, it was great, to another text, this one. And then you can pick Anna, and Anna can say whatever you want. So she can say, for example, oh, thank you. Or whatever you want, you can say, all right. And then that's it. Your dialogue is fully done. You can preview it from here. So you can just click here and then you can preview what it will looks like. You can check the validation. Here you can say everything is good. You have no problem. Your dialogue is ready to be shipped. And then you have many new tabs that we're gonna cover, but basically the localization for every language and other things that I'm gonna cover in other episodes. But basically now you are fully done with this very simple dialogue. So now, how are you gonna wire it? You're gonna go in the demo simple that you can find under Craftworks, DialogueCraft, demo simple, scene, demo simple, or if you want to open it a bit more quickly, you just go under Tools, Craftworks, DialogueCraft, Demo Scene, and click this open button. Then you click the dialogue runner, and here you can browse your dialogue and just select Anna intro. And now you just have to click, and everything should be good and work. I'm gonna unscale. So Anna, hi, did you read my book? Yes, it was great. Oh, thank you. And here it is. Everything is working. It's perfect. All right, I think we covered everything that was important for this first introduction to DialogueCraft. So now I will see you in the next episode.